Give it a couple more seconds. Hey everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the balloon festoon card workshop, where almost every card is a fun fold or interesting. So what is in common with these two cards? Well, this one is a shaped card using some kind of banners, the party banners die cuts to create this. And actually, I kind of did the same thing using the balloon festoon die cuts. So I just wanted to quickly show you how to accomplish that. And so the first thing that you do is you score this is, I'm going to cut it. I'll score it first. I'm going to score it at 5.5. Your basic white 8.5 by 11. And then I'm going to cut it at 4.25. So now it's going to be a top fold card. And in order to accomplish the party banners comes with all of these. And I'm going to use a relatively large one. I can't remember which one it is, but we'll see. Pretty much card base size. Yeah, so this one. And when you do is you're going to run it through your die cut machine, but you're going to run it through so it hits this line, but doesn't cut. And then the rest of that, what it will do is it will cause it to be open in that one special spot, but not cut. So I'll do that at the very end. And we do the exact same thing with the balloon festoon dies. That one probably is this one. So we take that same cardstock here, fold it in half, and you just do the die so that it hangs over just a little bit. You can decide if you want it to hang over like this or straight up and down or like this, but anyway, you want to have at least an inch or an inch and a half before you run it through. And so I'm going to go and get my machine so you can see it. Otherwise, you can just say that you know. Okay, so if you're still here and want to see it working, so you put your die on here. You can kind of fill it. Click it. It doesn't move because you've got it against the fold. And mine kind of pops up because it's a little bit bent. It's a little bent. But what you get, then you peel off the sides and you get a card base that has a fold. How cool is that? And you do the exact same thing with the balloon. What did I do? I kind of had it off to the center a little bit just because wonky is always fun, right? Put that through. And now you have an openable balloon card. It's not opening because it just cuts it so nice. There you go. You have an openable balloon card. So that is how you can create a fun shaped card just using a simple die cut. So we've got this one that opens that way and this one that opens that way. Very fun, right? Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.